Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locating the cell that contains the unwanted spaces, for example A1. Once found, make sure to use an adjacent empty cell so you do not overwrite source data. Now type the core formula equals substitute A1, which removes all standard space characters. Press Enter. This immediate action strips visible spaces so you can see results. If the cell still looks spaced, pause. The next step handles hidden or special space characters that standard replace misses. Once done with the basic substitute, make sure to handle special non-breaking spaces by nesting equals substitute A1 char 160. Then, if your goal is to collapse extra gaps rather than delete every space, wrap with trim equals trim substitute A1 char 160. This preserves single spaces between words while removing extras. Next, apply the formula across the column by dragging the fill handle or double-clicking it. That propagates the logic quickly over the whole dataset. To finish, convert those formulas into static text. Copy the formula column and use paste special right arrow values so the clean text replaces the formulas. Make sure to verify results by comparing len original versus len cleaned or inspect characters with code, if something still looks off. If invisible control characters remain, wrap with clean like equals clean, trim, substitute, A1 char 160. Troubleshooting tip. If spaces persist, check for tabs or other delimiters and replace them with substitute before the final paste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.